Good morning, everyone. In this chapter of perimeter and area, so far we have learned about perimeters and areas of some polygons. In the first exercise, we deal with the area and perimeter of a rectangle and of a square. In the second exercise, we have done areas of triangle and parallelogram. Now, moving forward, we will be finding the areas and perimeters of circles. Now, a circle is a two-dimensional shape which is not a polygon. For finding the area and perimeter of a circle, we need one very important component of it, which is its radius. If we are given the radius of a circle, we can very easily find its perimeter and also we can find its area. Perimeter will be named as circumference in this case. For circles, we do not use the word perimeter, we use the word circumference. But it has same meaning. A circumference or perimeter, both these words have same meaning, that is the total length of the boundary. So we will be finding two things in this: circumference and then area. We have the formulas. We have some formulas to find out the value of the circumference. Circumference of any circle is given as 2 times pi times r. Now this pi is a constant and its value is taken as either 22/7 or we can take its value as 3.14. Now we take the value of pi as 22/7 when this r is given as a multiple of 7. If this r is not given as a multiple of 7, then we take the value of pi as 3.14 or whatever value if is mentioned in the question. You will be getting the questions in which you need to find the circumference or area, and the value of pi will be either given to you, or if it is not given to you, then you will take the value of pi depending on the value of r. If r is given as a multiple of 7, then you will take pi as 22/7, and if r is not given as a multiple of 7, then you will take the value of pi as 3.14. So this is the formula for finding the circumference of the circle. The formula is 2 into pi into r. Using this formula, we can find the value of the circumference. In the same way, we can find area of a circle. The formula for finding area of circle is pi into square of r. Again, the value of pi will depend on the value of r. If r is given as a multiple of 7, then we'll take pi as 22/7. Otherwise, we'll take pi as 3.14. Let us start exercise 11.3. In this exercise, the very first question is we have to find circumference of the circles whose radii are given. First question, A part, is radius is given as 14 centimeter. We want to find circumference of this, and also in this question it is mentioned that we have to take pi as 22/7. So circumference formula is 2 into pi into r. Substituting the values of pi and r in this formula, will get 2 into 22 over 7 multiplied by 14. Now this 7 will cancel out this 14 to give you 2 here. So your answer will be 2 into 22 into 2, which is 88. The unit of circumference will be same as the unit of radius. So your answer will be 88 centimeter. Exercise 11.3, second question, B part. We have to find area of these circles whose diameter is given as, a circle is given with diameter as 49 meter. Now formula for area is pi into square of radius. Now here radius is not given but diameter is given. So first of all we'll find the value of radius. Radius will be half of the diameter, that is 49 divided by 2, which comes out to be 24.5 centimeter. Now this is the value of the radius. Now we will put this value of radius to find the value of area. We will take pi as 22 over 7 because this 7 will cancel out this 24.5. 24.5 into 24.5. 7 3s are 21, 7 5s are 35. So your answer will be product of these three numbers. 22 will be multiplied with 3.5 and then it will be multiplied with 24.5. So 22 times 3.5 into 24.5 will give you the answer as 1886.5. Now its unit will be, the unit of area will be centimeter square. Exercise 11.3, question number 3. Circumference of a circular sheet is given as 154 centimeter. Circumference is given in this case. We have to find its radius, and then after finding the radius we have to find the area. So first of all we'll find the radius. Circumference of any circle will be 2 pi r. So it means 2 pi r is given to us as 154. Now we will solve this equation for r. This is a simple equation which can be solved for r. 2 into 22 by 7 into r gives you 154. If we isolate this r, we'll get value of r as 154 into 7. 7 goes on the in the numerator of the right hand side, and these two numbers 2 into 22, this will come as denominator. Now if we cancel this out on the table of 11, this becomes, so here r comes out to be 49 over 2, that is 24.5 centimeter. Now we can find its area. Area is pi r square. So substituting the values of r in this, we get 24.5 into 24.5, which will give you the answer as 1886.5 centimeter square. So circumference was given to us. First we have found the value of the radius, then we have found the value of area. Exercise 11.3, question number 5. From a circular sheet of radius 4 centimeter, a circle of radius 3 centimeter is removed. So we are given two circles. one big circle of radius 4 centimeter, and from that circular sheet we are taking away, we are removing another circle of radius 3 centimeter. So we have to find out the area of the remaining sheet. So suppose you are given, say this circular sheet is given to you, and what we are doing, we are taking out another circle from this. We are suppose taking out another circle from this. So this shaded portion will be the remaining portion, and we have to find the area of this shaded region. For this, first we'll find the area of the bigger circle. Area of bigger circle is pi into 4 square. The radius was given as 4, so we are taking this as pi into 4 square, area of the bigger circle. This comes out to be 16 pi. Then area of the smaller circle, that is the circle which is to be removed from it, this is given as pi into, now the radius of the smaller circle is given as 3, so area will be pi into 3 square, which comes out to be 9 into pi. Now area of remaining sheet, if we take out the smaller circle from the bigger one, the area of the remaining sheet will be the difference of these two, 16 pi minus 9 pi, which becomes 7 pi. Now I will put the value of pi. 7 times 22 by 7. So you will get the answer as 22 centimeter square. This is the area of the shaded region. Exercise 11.3, question number 6. Saima wants to put a lace on the edge of a circular table whose diameter is given as 1.5 meter. So here diameter is given as 1.5 meter, and we have to find the length of the lace required and also to find its cost. If cost of 1 meter is given as rupees 15. Now we want the length of the lace required, for which we need to find its circumference. The formula for finding the circumference is 2 into pi into r. Now here 2 into r becomes the diameter, so I can also use the formula for circumference as diameter times pi. So when diameter is given, no need to find the radius directly. First just use the formula pi into d or d into pi to get the value of the circumference. Now d is given as 1.5 and pi we are taking as 3.14, because this d, or even if you find r, will not be a multiple of 7. So we have to take the value of pi as 3.14. Now on multiplication, this becomes 4.71 meter. Now so this much length of the lace is required to cover the edge of the tabletop. Okay, now we want to find the cost. Cost of 1 meter is given as rupees 15. So we have to find the cost of 4.71 meter. So what we are going to do, we will multiply 4.71 with 15, which will give you the answer as, if we multiply these two, 4.71 multiplied by 15 gives you the answer as 70.65. So rupees 70.65 is the answer to this question. Exercise 11.3, question number 8. Exercise 11.3, question number 8. Find the cost of polishing a circular tabletop of diameter 1.6 meter. Diameter of a circular tabletop is given 1.6, and the rate of polishing is given as rupees 15 per meter square. We want to find the cost of polishing. For this, we need to find its area. So area of a circle is pi into r square. Here r is not given, diameter is given, so r will be half of the diameter, that is 0.8 square. This is pi into 0.8 into 0.8, taking the value of pi as 3.14 because r is not a multiple of 7, so we are taking value of pi as 3.14. Now we have to multiply these three to get the value of area. 0.8 times 0.8, then multiplication with 3.14 gives you the value of area as 2.0096 meter square. This much is the value of the area given. Cost of polishing 1 meter square is given as cost of polishing the surface at 1 meter square is rupees 15. So cost of polishing 2.0096 meter square will be 15 times 2.0096, which comes out to be 30.14 rupees, 30.14. This is the answer to this question.